Hi guys, it's Jamie from Currys, and today we're going to show you the top 3 features of the Hisense U7K. It gives you a picture that's naturally colourful and beautiful. It upgrades the picture and sound of everything you watch. And you get multi-directional sound. I'm going to head over to the lab so we can look at things in a little bit more detail. A big part of the outstanding picture on this TV comes from mini LED technology, combining thousands of tiny mini LEDs with quantum dot colour, creating images that are wonderfully bright and colourful. As you can see from the split screen, you can see just how true to life it really is. And to show you that further, I'm going to take this orange over to the TV to show you just how well it matches the real thing. You literally can't tell them apart. Look at that. This is down to the quantum dot technology, which can reproduce over 1 billion colours, and the boosted brightness from the mini LEDs means that every shade really pops. It turns everything you watch into 4K quality, all with its clever high view engine. This is just standard HD footage that you're looking at, but as you can see, it's actually optimising the picture as you're watching it. Now, it does this on a frame by frame basis, so everything's being fine-tuned as you see it. And the sound itself is insanely immersive. You've got Dolby Atmos coming at you from all angles. So basically you've got audio that tracks in the centre of the screen and it goes with whatever's happening on the screen.
It's the challenger, N'Golo Kante takes the shot. Oh, brilliant! Absolutely superb!
If you'd like any more info on this Hisense TV, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on Shop Life Video Call.